Hello guys, welcome back. As promised, I want to show you today how you can back up your files super easy, just with one single click. If you just want to back up your files to a hard drive or USB flash drive. So in the last video we created a departition for our data. That's the most important part of your system because that's your data, your photos, pictures, bills, documents, whatever. Okay, so that's the part we want to back up. And I got some drive as the target. So how we can do this? Okay, one trick would be, of course, just take it, copy it by hand and paste it here. Okay, yeah, you can do this for data which is very small, like in this example. But if you have to handle terabytes of data and small files, Microsoft is not the very best to handle this process. There's a tool from Microsoft called Robocopy. And this tool helps you to copy your data from one source to another, and makes it very effectively and makes it very efficient. And if you make your first backup, it will take time. But if you just want to update your backup, it's super fast. So I wrote a little script for the backup. So where is my backup folder? So here, so Alice has the backability. So maybe it would be better to put it one section higher because Alice and Bob maybe want to make a backup. I got here a script, a batch file, which is in German, and I really just copied it and modified it myself. But what is important? Important is we need a source and a target we want to copy. And Robocopy just needs the source, the target, and then you have hundreds of possible parameters. So if you like to know more about it, just Google Robocopy. So what's important for me for backup is the term mirror. So if something changes in the source, I just want this changed in my backup. Why? Because it's much faster. So just to show you how this would, now I want to show you how this works. So you got this script here. You can use this on your work PC, wherever. If you want to fix a backup, you can write the source and target in the script and just have to double click this script and make a full backup, and that's it. So now we want to run the file. So we need a source. The source is our departition. So I want to mention the backslash is important. We need a target. That's our flash drive E. And go! So it finished 300 megabyte in 14 seconds. So just check if the backup was successful. So yeah, our whole data is now backed up. Okay, so now you say, okay, but what happened if something changed here? Like, okay, no, maybe Bob got more pictures. Bob has more cat pictures already for 2020, and now to back up it. And that's now, and now our tool just back up and adds the new stuff to our backup flash drive. So it will not last very long. So once again, our source, target, logo. So, and we can watch the backup live. So, there's already the 2020 year. So, okay. Okay, now it takes 16 seconds. It's not a very good example because the first process just took us 14. But if we use this as a daily driver, you can save so much time and your data is secured. So in my next video, I'm showing how you can run this script by the task scheduler. So you don't have to do nothing at all at your own. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.